Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I created this pink Persuasion look, and if you guys want to see how I did it, just continue watching. So we're gonna get into this eye makeup look. I'm gonna be using these two palettes, so this one, and then I'm gonna be using like 2 or 3 shades from this palette. We're gonna start with this color right here. And with the same exact brush, I'm gonna go in with this, with the dark brown here in the corner. Put some like on the lower part of my crease as well, but just kind of more on the outside, not going all the way in. So right now I'm just putting some concealer on my lid, just to make sure that when I do put on the pink that it actually does stand out. The concealer I'm using is a Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 40. After smoothing out my concealer, I'm gonna go back into my 9 palette kit, and I'm gonna be taking the sort of beige looking color there to kind of just press on the concealer and keep it into place. So now we're gonna go in with a bright fuchsia color. The star of the show has arrived, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. And after I do that, I'm gonna go in with the same brown color I used within the crease and kind of blend everything in, so it all has a very smooth and gradient look. This next color I'm using, it's sort of like a metallic coral color, and I'm just gonna dust it ever so lightly on top of the fuchsia just to give it a bit more dimension. So here is the finished look of the eyes. I did all my makeup, my highlight, my contour, all that. So right now I'm just gonna go into the brown and then also into the fuchsia color and put that on my bottom lash line. Choose my Annabelle lip liner in the color Espresso, and I'm just gonna line my lips. So this is a matte lip gloss. I really like it. I have absolutely no idea where it's from. My friend got it for me not a long time ago, but about a year ago when she went on vacation, but it just goes with the looks. So we're gonna use this one. And after I apply the lipstick color, I'm gonna just take some of the fuchsia and tap it in the center of my lip for some dimension. And that's it. So let me just fix up my hair real fast and you'll see the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's really pretty. It's really girly, really cute and fun. Yeah, you can see my tummy there. I haven't mentioned to you guys that I actually am 39 weeks pregnant, so it's nice to kind of glam up yourself. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. You'll subscribe, you'll like, you'll leave a comment below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.